Inserting a PDF into PowerPoint makes it a part of the presentation, rather than just being linked to it. Embedding allows you to keep all important documents in one place, making it easy to share with others. To embed a PDF, go to the Insert tab. In the Text section, click Object. On the Insert Object window, select Create from File. Browse the PDF file for embedding. Click OK to close. Mark the link option if you want changes made to the source document to be reflected in the embedded file. Mark the Display as Icon option if you want to show an icon instead of the full PDF. To open the embedded document, right-click the PDF icon, go to Acrobat Document Object, and select Open. Subscribe for more videos like this.